joystick control package. Wire tie instructions. We'll have miscellaneous wire ties in the bag, and also in the bag you'll have the relay box. There's 4 relays in this box for up, down, left, right functions. The joystick itself will slide onto the right steering lever, and then your plug-in to your universal harness of the tractor. Joystick final install. Joystick's installed on the right steering lever. Wire loom goes down right side, down along framework area. Underneath the seat pan, there's the relay box. Underneath the seat pan is a nice place to conceal it and hide it. You want to make sure it's towards the front edge. This is your power harness routed over to your brake lever area where your universal harness plug-in is at, and then this will be your 4-pin plug-in for any attachment that you may attach to it, whether it being a bi-directional broom or a snow thrower that would have spout rotation and electric height control, all controlled by the joystick. Quick install, just routing and getting creative with the wire loom, tying it off nicely, making it look neat as it comes up again up to your